It's your fucking birthday. It's your
honorable signal. Look at me.
Hi my darlings. This part is supposed to be like part of the maintenance part of the vlog, but then I couldn't vlog when we were doing my lashes because we were in her room and I was like scared to ask her, and also I fell asleep, guys. Like, that's how gentle she was. I literally fell asleep. I woke up and she's like, we done. I'm like, crazy. But yeah, these are my lashes. I did the hybrid style. I'll put her details in the caption in the description box and on right here on the screen. And yeah, right now I'm about to install my hair because I'm actually writing tomorrow, so I just want to get everything out of the way, and then I'll do my nails tomorrow because I'm just putting on stick-ons because of exam season. I'm putting on stick-ons, press-ons. So I'm gonna do those tomorrow after writing because I'm writing in the morning. And then yeah, I'm vlogging for TikTok, so I'm filming for TikTok, not vlogging. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to get in clips of me installing the hair, but I'll try. I'll see what I can do. Please. So I'm done installing, period. So I'm done with the maintenance. Not everything though, I still need to do my nails, and I'm gonna do them tomorrow after writing, as I said. But yeah, so that means I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow when we leaving. So I just came back from writing, and right now I just want to finish up my packing because I didn't pack my toiletries. That's what I want to pack right now, and then after that I'm gonna get dressed because I was just doing this to go write, and I'm gonna get dressed, but not now. It's still like early. It's like 10:30. My flight is at 8, so I still have I have 8 hours. I could even take a nap, actually. I could even sleep. But no, I want to take pictures. I want to take content. So yeah, I just need to figure out where exactly I'm going to take content. And then I'm going to go take pictures. Then yeah. I'm going to leave here around... because I need to be there 2 hours before, which means at 6, so I need to leave around 4 or 5 because I'm gonna use the How train. And yeah, let me just finish up packing so that I just get that out of the way. And yeah, 6. Let's go. I'm so excited. It feels so real, actually. This is my fit. I'm at the airport right now. Like, guys, man, it feels so unreal that I can't believe basically that I am going to Capetown alone. Do you get that? Like, I just checked in my bags and like I'm in all thabo, bruh. Like, wow, that's all I can say. I'm currently at Steers getting food that I'm gonna eat when I get to the Airbnb because I'm gonna get there late. I'm boarding in like an hour, boarding at 8. So yeah. I actually realized that I didn't show you guys my airport fits. Guys, this pimple is a weapon formed against me. But anyways, here's my fits. Everything's from Shein, by the way. Yeah, I'm just waiting for 8. It's currently 7:30. And yeah, I'm literally taking pictures in a secluded area. Let me show you guys. It was actually kicking in that I'm going to Cape Town for the very first time. I've always wanted to go to Cape Town. I remember last year I planned the trip, but it did not work out. So I promised myself that if I get a job the following year, I'm definitely taking myself there. So this was it. I took myself on a birthday trip to Cape Town. Everything paid by me. No funds from family members, just me and my hard work. I remember how I used to watch vlogs of people going on vacation to Cape Town, and I kept telling myself that one day that will be me. And this is it. This is my birthday vlog. I just arrived. Okay, let me collect my key and then I'll talk to you guys.
I told my boy go roll like 10 bands for me. I told my boy go roll like 10 bands for me. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing.
So I just finished showering and getting ready. Guys, these 2 pimples are stressing me out. But anyways, I just finished showering and getting ready. I'm about to get dressed and do my hair. I wanna film a TikTok though. I wanna film a TikTok here, get ready with me. So yeah, I might come here though on YouTube when I'm doing my hair. Yeah, I might do my hair here on YouTube. And then on TikTok I'm just gonna do like touch-ups of the hair because I already installed it on TikTok, you know. So yeah, let me quickly film that because I'm actually running I think I'm running behind schedule. So yeah, but my face is glowing. Apart from these 2, my face is doing the most right now. Period. I am late, guys, so I can't get ready on the camera anymore. So I'm gonna quickly go get ready right now, and then I'm gonna come back here when I am done. Okay, because delayed, like I'm running behind schedule, and my itinerary is like, and I don't want this weather to change somehow. So yeah.
I'm way too high. Wake up. It's the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up.
I'm am done getting ready. I'm about to leave right now. I'm going to V&A, by the way. Yeah, this is my outfit. Yeah, let's go. So I'm currently at V&A and I'm going to Zara to take pictures first, and then after that I'm gonna go have lunch. But I want to take pictures first because so that I can eat while I know which I'm done with like content and stuff. But yeah, I look so good. This side, I don't know what's going on. But anyways, yeah, there's this famous spot, Zara, that almost most influencers from Cape Town take pictures at. So I hope it's not full, because if it's full, I'm gonna be shy. And then secondly, I hope they allow me to take pictures because so I couldn't take pictures because I'm not supposed to use my tripod. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's either I'm gonna have to find someone that's gonna take pictures of me, someone that I don't know, and I'm very picky, by the way, or I just have to go back when like it's less full. So I'm at Paul right now, trying to find something that I'm gonna do. So I don't know what I want though. That's my problem. I really don't know. I want to egg Benedict. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys. Please can I have the ham eggs Benedict and yeah, old-fashioned pink lemonade. Thank you. It looks so amazing, guys. Sad. I'm charging my phone because I need to take pictures and I don't have battery. So I'm currently charging my phone so I can go take pictures and go to the aquarium and hotel sky and all that jazz. I'm just waiting for my drink. I ordered because I'm feeling cold. I ordered a hot chocolate.
Every time we make sure if the sky is
Happy birthday to me. Ooh, happy birthday, dear Nicole. Oh, happy birthday to me. Cape Town is so so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, like, oh my word, no ways. Guys, it's Dory. Dory.
I'm tryna get high till I can't feel nothing. I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing.
I'm currently at the aquarium. Guys, it is so cute. Oh, they made a skull out of bottles. Guys, everything is just so cute. Cape Town is a beautiful city, guys. Like, I think I want to work in Cape Town. Yeah. I am not about to spend my whole life in Joburg. Yeah, so I am moving to Cape Town. I do my masters in Cape Town. Cake. This is such a beautiful city. Yo.
I can fall out the sky and I still won't feel nothing. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. I'm way too high. I'm way too high.
So I just got back and it's 5:30. I have a reservation for 7. I need to get ready. I need to uninstall this hair. Uninstall this hair, install new hair, and maybe do my makeup before 7. I hope I'll do it in time. I'm done being a dinner babe, so let's go. I know my hair, oh, light hair, oh, light hair. My hair looks kind of crazy, but it is what it is, to be honest. It's 98. This was my birthday dinner outfit. My camera's blurry, but yeah. I'm currently at the museum. Here it is. It's so pretty. And guys, Pega works made over there. Like the law firms here are so pretty. Like the buildings are so pretty. Anyways, let's go. It actually looks so cute, Sana. I couldn't enter with my tripod. I should have fished it or something. I don't know how I'm gonna take pictures. I'll make a plan. I'll make a plan. pun intended. But like, it's such a work of art, and thing is, most of the stuff are like black, dark and black, and I'm gonna give one cartoons because I watched so many horror movies. So in my head, I'm thinking that something's gonna happen. But like, it is very, very cute. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie to you guys, it's very cute. I ain't got any. But the person that made this artwork got in many depressions. So I've checked out now. Checkout time was like 10 a.m. and I was late, but now I'm just at I'm at VNA. I'm trying to pass time because I'm leaving very late. I'm departing at 7. So yeah, I'm just gonna pass time. I'm just gonna walk around VNA, you know, see what I can get, if I wanna get something, if I don't wanna get anything right now. I also couldn't show you guys my fit, ne? So I'm gonna try to find a mirror and then I'm gonna show you guys my fit because it looks cute and I don't think I'll be able to take pictures. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to take pictures. Anywho, yo, why is this place always full? Like, it's not supposed to be this full. Let me quickly show you guys my OOTD. I can't see properly, but yeah. That's it. Oh, let me put it on the Capetown was so amazing, guys. Like, but I'm gonna update you guys on like everything when I get to Joburg, like on how like Capetown was and all that jazz, basically. Right now, let me go to Starbucks so that I can charge my phone and maybe like get like lunch somewhere. And yeah, just to pass time because wow, I'm really sad that I couldn't go to the beach though because it was super cold, guys. Like it was super cold, and even now it's better, but I still can't go because like there's no sun, so it's just gonna be a waste. But actually I did go to the beach and just said that I couldn't take pictures because it was cold. And there's an outfit, so there's 2 outfits that are actually 3. I couldn't take a bikini picture, I didn't take my museum pictures because they didn't allow tripods in, and I also didn't take this one. But I'm probably gonna wear these outfits again in Johannesburg, and I'm gonna take pictures in Johannesburg. Oh, I'm just gonna repeat them when I take pictures. So yeah. I didn't show you guys my museum outfit. Crazy business. I'll just put pictures because I didn't like it. The previous year was so rough to me.
So I promised myself that once I turn big 20, I will be putting my mental health first. This trip was the first part of it.
We are back. Don't mind my hair, guys. There's wind outside, but we're back. We are back. This is Editing Nicole, and I just came here to tell you guys, or to thank you guys for the birthday wishes. I absolutely enjoyed my birthday. You guys made it extra special. Thank you for the posts and all that jazz. I enjoyed my birthday, guys. Like, I think this was my best birthday ever, and I feel like this trip has opened more solo trips or something like that, if I could put it like that. And it has also opened the fact that I'll enjoy my upcoming birthdays also. So yeah, I said I'm gonna update you guys and tell you guys about Cape Town. Cape Town was amazing. Cape Town was absolutely beautiful. That is such a beautiful city. I enjoyed myself to the fullest. The one thing that I wanted to do but I couldn't do was go to the Atlantic dunes, and I'm so sad it was closed. I absolutely don't know where my anxiety went and me being shy went. Like, it absolutely went away. I would literally take out my tripod in the public and I would not care a damn. Okay, I would literally take pictures in front of thousands of people, not thousands, but like a number of people, and I wouldn't care. But yeah, Cape Town is amazing. I don't know if people want a breakdown of the costs of stuff, if they also want to go on a solo vacation or a solocation. But if that's what they want, then I'll post a video on TikTok with the cost breakdown and all of that. But just know, if you go to Cape Town on your birthday, it's gonna be absolutely cheap, guys. Cape Town is really not that expensive, trust and believe me. Not to talk for too long, but overall, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the birthday wishes. I enjoyed my birthday. The Solocation was amazing. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and please do not skip the ads. Okay, please do not skip the ads. I need to buy myself another birthday present. Okay, love you guys.
Sorry I was busy, but I missed